Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to review another website, that is aliaskinuk.com. So if you are curious to know about aliaskin.com, watch the video till the end, as we are going to give you an unbiased review on this website. Like, there are fraudulent activities on the internet or online shopping, so it is really very important for you people to look up for a website before purchasing. So today we are going to give you details regarding this website, so by the end you will be able to decide either this is a legit or a scam website, or it is a worth buying website, or you must stay away from this website. So Alias Skin is actually an online website that sells a variety of skincare products, and it is shipping all over the India. It was registered on 15th July 2019. Its domain age is more than 2 years, and it will expire on 17th July 2023. It was registered for more than around about 5 years. For query, they have mentioned their email address that is matching the domain name, which is a positive sign. Moreover, if you have any question regarding wholesale, you can contact another email address which is also matching the domain name, which is also positive sign. As far as shipping is concerned, they are delivering free shipping worldwide, and delivery time takes around about 7 to 15 working days. They have social media account. The positive point of buying at Alias Skin UK are this is HTTP secured protocol website. Bulk buy option available for the customer. Free shipping worldwide. No extra shipping charges are required for normal and bulk orders. Multiple images are available for the product. A clear description is available for the product. Brand is mentioned in many magazines like Nylon, Vegan, Post Sugar, etc. 30 days money back guarantee is available if the product didn't work. The website also features before and after use of the product from genuine customer. The negative point of buying from Alias Skin UK are if the parcel is lost in transit, Alias Skin will not be responsible and no refund will be issued. Delivery may take longer than usual sometimes. Customer only have to contact via email. No other customer care details were provided. So the question is Alias Skin UK legit or not? So as we are discussing certain parameter, we are going to add some more, so we will easily decide either this is legit or a scam. As far as the trust score of the website is concerned, we found that it has 86% trust score, which is a good trust score. Products review from genuine customer are available, like the reviews are not fake either, these are genuine reviews. Multiple payment options are available. The domain is quite old. The lifelong expectancy of the domain. The customer only have to contact via email. No other customer care details were provided. Moreover, the reviews are available on different social media platforms. Spam score is low. Active on social media challenge. Easy return refund policies are available. So we can say that as it has a very good trust score, it has genuine reviews, and the spam score is also low for this website. It has active social media accounts. All these points are enough to tell that this website is legit and a safe website for shopping. So you can shop from this website and enjoy your shopping in do like about your shopping experience from this website. And if you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. It will boost my spirit to bring such informative videos for you.